Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So the layout is back and I'm finally doing a proper test run to the Piko BR64 tank engine with a rake of 4 Kleinbahn carriages and the Fleischmann brake and luggage van. You can see that the Fleischmann brake van has a rear light. The BR64 has working headlamps. On the sidings, in the sidings we can see the Bachmann PCC tram or streetcar. Let's make it come towards us. Of course it got stuck in a point because it always gets stuck in a point, that thing there. So we better go and rescue it. There we go. Meantime, the R64 is sprinting around. I think I might slow it down a spot. It's getting a bit late. It's nearly 11 here to be running this noisy. Here, I've slowed it down a spot. Slightly more prototypical speed. And while this is marching along the main line, let's have a look at the Bachmann PCC tramcar or streetcar, which is another noisy one. I really like this tram, it's fantastic. Okay, let's reverse it. My plan is to make an external main line that we could actually use for the tram, but I'm planning to make another small tram layout. Oops, let's go the other way. I'll do make a dedicated video to the tram car. Presentation, history of the class, there it goes. It's great at stalling on points. It doesn't like points. It's quite a dreadful design. The tram car, not the BR64. But we'll see it in detail. BR64 is coming along steadily with its train. These are the Kleinbahn carriages that I lubricated the wheels on. We did a video about them. The BR64 hasn't lost any of its kingpins. I gave it another quick lubrication before the test run. Okay, we're getting on very well. Good crawler. Okay, now what we're going to do, we'll just disconnect, but we'll disconnect it. Man, I have something. Toothpick. Let's disconnect this. Let's uncouple that, and we'll send the locomotive to the other end of the train and pick it up. And see if it's going to just couple up to the Fleischmann. Fleischmann coupling hooks sometimes are not at the same height. Did it couple? Did it couple? Did it couple? Did it heck? I think we're going to couple it by hand. Did that couple? Now it coupled. Okay, let's do some other direction. So this is the locomotive that I serviced in such a long time. I wanted to ask you a thing. Should I add some of those jewels to the back lights? I've been thinking whether to do it or not, or maybe just to spruce up those back lights with a bit of aluminium paint. I think I might put the jewels, because I bought a bag load of them. I've got 17,500 of the things, so I should start using them. Okay, making good work of this train. I'm just going to stop here and shunt the train into the sidings. Let's open the points. I like manual points, and I'm planning to, it's such a small layout that I think I might even just use one of those bamboo sticks for plants, and who cares? The wand of God. We're going the right way? No, well, of course we're going the other way. On we go into the siding, and we'll see it tomorrow. It's labouring, there it goes. Great shunting locomotive. There we are, perfect. That's us. And I think we can call it a day. Maybe we could give this Bachmann tram a little friendly jolt. See if it wants to go over there. Of course it went forward. Yeah, out the road. Is it going? Is it not? Because it's the Bachmann tram is something incredible. It only likes normal, you know, just straight track, you know, track without any points. It doesn't like points at all, but we'll look at it in detail. And now it's going. Let's see if we can convince it to go back. Nah, it stalls on the points. It doesn't like points at all, this thing here. It's this is the Bachmann tram. You can see it close up, or PCC, streetcar. And it picks up from both bogies. There's the motor bogie at the back. It has a pancake motor, a Bachmann pancake motor. When I got this, it was caked in grease. Somebody had used ball bearing grease on it. It was blood, dreadful. And it picks up from the front as well. It's not the best of. It's not the best on points. Even if it picks up from. It has a split chassis, and it picks up from two bogies. So it's not really wonderful. I might give it a wee help with a spot of contact spray and add a wee bit of grease behind those flanges, technical petroleum jelly, but let's just put it up here. Maybe we can let it have a little ride along here. Let's see if it wants to collaborate just to finish the video. And its noisy self. Oh, there it is, nice and noisy. Let's make it go this way. Send it to the station. There you go. If you take the points quickly, it goes. We'll have to make a wee tram layout for this because it's really entertaining. I enjoy this tram. Huh? Okay, very well. And with the tram, we'll call it a day. Cheerio, and see you in the next video. If you liked the video, give it a like. Any opinions are more than welcome. And of course, click the subscription button. Yes, whatever. No, the notification button. I'm a bit tired. It's been a very long week. That's why I didn't post any videos. I was very, very busy. Right. Cheerio, and see you next time, meaning very shortly.